Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Philips Hairdryer 3000. The model number is BHD30830. There's an image of what this hairdryer is going to look like. This is a 1600 watt hairdryer. It comes with ThermoProtech attachment and also has 3 speed settings. It's written over here 1 to 3. It comes with powerful drying at low temperature with ThermoProtech attachment, as I mentioned earlier. Let's quickly take a look at what other information we can gather. Over here is written 1600 watt. This particular hairdryer is powered by a 1600 watt motor, as I mentioned. That's more or less all the information on this box. I'm now going to open this and show you the dryer. This is what it looks like. It comes with a nice white and cream color combination. It is very classy and elegant to look at. Has this ergonomic handle as well. Over here you can see some vents, and this is where the hot air will blow out of. And we also had this pretty long power cable with a 3-pin socket at the end. I'm going to power this on first. Time to turn it on. Notice that there are 3 speed settings here, and also this is foldable, so you can carry it very easily. This is a foldable 1600 watt hairdryer. Now I'm going to turn it on now. It's currently off. So that was the first setting. It was pretty warm. The third setting here is basically normal air, and the one setting above, that's mildly warm, and one at the top is the warmest setting. This is the ThermoProtech attachment. Let's put it on over here. There you go. And that's it. This is it. This is what you will find inside the box containing the Philips Hairdryer 3000. Model number is BHD30830. Thank you for watching.